Gai mar ODM migosi Raila Odinga ne owalo Mikai Martha Karua kaka jalno makoro biro bedo jalupne kochopo yiero maduong' mabiro. Maendi be miyo mokwongo makoro biro bedo jalup e pacho kaendi mabiro teno jalno makoro biro manyo komo mar jatend piny Kenya kochopo yiero maduong' mabiro e bwo mabulnero mar Azimio One Kenya.
This woman is a fighter and is not a quitter. This woman has a safe pair of hands, seasoned by the struggle for our second liberation and service to the country in many capacities. This woman has a beautiful soul as exhibited by her love and passion for her children and grandchildren. This woman will be a great co-creator and will make a remarkable first deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. As a co-worker, I want her to finalize the unfinished business of making our constitution. And I want this done because when the late Mwai Kibaki and I pushed for the 2010 constitution, we admitted that it was a work in progress and it needed some further work. Because I'm a man of my word, I will task her with the assignment of completing what we started. And I'm persuaded that she has the right pair of hands to accomplish this task. My dear Kenyans, come at the hour, come at the lady. I have the great honor to announce that I am picked as my running mate and Cabinet Secretary for Justice and Constitutional Affairs, the Honorable Martha.